Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you're doing well. This has been a super productive week on my part. I know that I've been missing in action for, a week or two. We went to Creativation, and then, every time you come home from a trade show, you've got to get over the bug and all that stuff. But let me tell you, I learned so much at Creativation, not only from the demonstrators at the event, but also the people that I shared a suite with. So I'm just so happy. It was such a growing experience for me, and I hope for my friends too. But while I was gone, the powers that be were busy, and they have been taking care of the red rubber stamps from Prickly Pear Stamps. And our loss is going to be, oh, look at that. Our loss is going to be your gain. And what do I mean by that? Well, I've got 8 ounces of red rubber stamps in each of these bags, which translates to about $125 plus in product. And I'm going to give these away. I'm not really giving those away. You'll have to purchase them for $25, but that is a phenomenal value. Like I said, you're going to get $125 plus value for $25, and this is while they last. These are Prickly Pear Stamps, red rubber. So there are a lot of you that have been fans of Prickly Pear for a long time. Grab them while they're hot, because once they're gone for good. Hi, Brennan. How are you? Happy Friday. I hope you're doing well. So this is really the only reason I am hopping on, is to tell you about these bags. Now, if you hadn't noticed, like if you haven't been on social media, Pajama Crafter Stamps did come out with a new release in March. I have to get my months straight. But anyhow, we came out with 4 new stamps, and we've got the Just Married stamp set. We've got the Hats Off, which is for graduation, and all of these little sentiments will fit inside this medallion, so you can make a ribbon or a medallion that you like. We have Date Night, which is all movie themed, and I'm just gonna give you a little hint. Further down the line, we've got some stamps that are going to coordinate with these, so be on the outlook. And then we've got Some Gave All, which is a tattered American flag, which represents the wars and the battles that our veterans have won and have awarded us our freedom and have given us what we know and love about this country. So that is the new release that happened last month. We will have a new release on April 19th and an Instagram and video hop, so be on the outlook for that. Yes, Brennan, I am having an amazing Friday. And yeah, those mystery bags are phenomenal. There are only a limited number of bags, so please, if you want them, grab them, because once they're gone, they're gone. And then who knows what's ever going to happen. Basically, all of those designs from the red rubber stamps are going to be put into the vault, and you most likely won't see those for a while, or ever. So they're just some decisions. We're trying to make some room on the shelf so that we can bring in new product, which I know everybody looks forward to, and I definitely look forward to it. I have just planned out all the stamps for the next year, and I am so super excited. I've got some new artists that are coming up on the horizon. We've got some new stamps, we've got some new products, and it's going to be super fun. So please stay tuned with us. But again, if you're just tuning in, we have the red rubber stamps. We've got about 8 ounces of red rubber, which translates to about $125 value for $25. So you'll go to the sale section on our website, and you'll just go and you'll find them there under mystery bags. And I will turn this loose to my design team here shortly so that they can plaster it all over the internet and social media platforms. But I wanted to be the first one to break the news, so you guys run while they're hot. All right, so you have a good Friday. I'm going to get crafty tonight, so I'm not going to stay on here. I should probably get crafty with you guys, but I need to color some stuff for the newer release. So have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.